So guys, let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our gold. So be it you are new to this channel and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's start with our trend on gold. So we can clearly see that our trend is literally in an uptrend move. We are very much bullish on gold. Now, take a look at this movement on gold. Let's say this to be the high. You saw the impulse move, and this is the pullback phase. Then here comes to be the high, and this is the pullback phase. Then here also come to be the high. We are now currently on a pullback phase. So guys, a pullback is currently playing out. Is this pullback over? That's the means we need to go to our 4-hour time frame. Our 4-hour time frame, we will tell if the pullback is actually over. Now on this our 4-hour time frame, we can see that market has now come to give us an equal higher low. So this higher low is now serving as our support level. So with what markets will be doing next is our gold to give us one more push up. We all know that the next day Christmas. So if our market did something like this, the impulsive move, and this is the pullback phase, markets did something impulsive move, and here is a pullback phase. So with this movement, which is an equal higher low, we are expecting market to actually push up again to form another high that will eventually come to take this high. So a bullish move for the day is what we'll be expecting on our gold. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So click on the subscribe button in order for you not to miss out on any updates.